Welcome to the Real New Zealand Adventures Life in New Zealand daily vlog. Good morning, it is the 21st of November. It's just after 7. I'm heading up the Waikato this morning. Haven't been up there for a few days, so I'm going to go up there and do my transfers this morning to see how things are going. I've got Keira coming with me this morning, so we're going to hit the road now. Let's go, Keira. Just arrived in Pupu now, made really good time this morning. Didn't get stopped at any roadworks really, just a few traffic lights. So going to head in now and see if our client's ready and get him through to Otorohanga. While we're taking him through to Otorohanga, we'll check in with Leonie and see how she's getting on down there.
We're on day 5 of full-on rainy spring days in New Zealand, and it's starting to wear thin. We're not ones who like to sit around inside all day. We're so looking forward to summer. Apparently, it's supposed to be here in 7 days, but the weather forecast is predicting rain right through the first week of December. That is crazy talk. I hope it's wrong. We've been waiting so long for some decent weather so we can take the kids out and about on more adventures. Never mind, I'll plug away in the office today and find something for the 2 little kids to do. Feeling better today, Finnies?
Yeah.
Not quite ready to go back to school today. Tomorrow, eh? What are you doing?
Watching TV.
Yeah, it's about all you can do today, eh?
Yeah.
Oh, wet, miserable. What's it doing now out the window?
Raining.
Yeah.
And we're in Otorohanga, just dropped our client off at his physio appointment. We're going to head down to the coffee shop now for a cup of coffee quickly. Let's go and do it, Keira. How are you guys? Alright, 1 triple shot large flat white, please.
Sure thing.
How's your coffee, Keira?
Good.
Good. All good, thank you. We'll see you next time.
No worries, thank you. Reach case. See you, mate.
See you, mate. And it's still raining. Right, we're back at the pools now. Our client should be out in the next 15 minutes or so. We just went down and had a really good cup of coffee down the road. The weather has really packed in now. It is not looking flash out there. Could make for an interesting drive back to Taranaki. As long as the roads stay open, we'll be fine. Right, we've arrived back in Pupu, dropped our client off. We are heading back to the farm now, just have a quick cup of coffee there and then back to Taranaki. It has stopped raining, which is awesome. And we're back at the house. Made pretty good time. Just going to unload the car now. Not much to grab. Just the new, the old computer which we just got serviced. And that'll be about us. Right, just that. Carrot's in the bag, but the bag's unzipped. I haven't got enough hands.
Why is the bag unzipped?
I don't know. And the charger. And that can all go inside. And we'll go inside and have a quick cup of coffee because I am thirsty. Right, sorted. Let's go. Did you say you're making coffees, Keira? That's a great idea.
Go hit the fruit, that's okay.
Right. Coffee.
Have a drink.
Yeah. Why is there a Harley under the desk?
What are you doing?
Hello, Vito.
Oh, you need to come on this.
That was good. Couple of hours on the computer. Caught up on a bit of work that I missed out on while I was on the road today. I'm going to stretch my legs for a bit now. Go and see what's for dinner. Kids have just come back inside. They've been chilling out outside while it's not raining. And now there's arguments by the looks. What's up with you guys? You've been playing outside? What happened, Colton? You grumpy?
She won't let me on her iPad.
Oh no. Oh, what's wrong with you?
I'm not on 10%.
Oh, well, you should have put it on charge.
Give me my phone.
And this time.
Did you make this? Yeah. Are you sure? It tastes like it's from the Chinese shop. It's so good.